Hello students, how you all? Let us discuss today the equations of linear motion. Yeah, few equations are there. It's a very important portion for ICSE class 9 and also for CBSE class 9. Let us discuss those equations. For that, I'll consider an example. Say you are riding a scooty. You are riding a scooty. Say your speed is or your velocity is 20 kilometer per hour. Your velocity is 20 kilometer per hour. Now you saw that there is no traffic. The road is total empty. Nobody is there. What you will do? You will increase your velocity or you will increase your speed, whatever you say. Now, if you see few cars or bikes are there, again you have to decrease your speed. So this to increasing the speed or to decreasing the speed, how to calculate those things numerically, mathematically, we'll see that today. Let us draw it. Say you are here with a velocity of 20 km per hour. The velocity of your scooty is 20 km per hour. Now you are going, you saw that there is no traffic. The road is complete empty. No traffic. So, just you have increased your speed. Increased your speed. And the speed you have increased to 40 km per hour. So first it was 20 km per hour, now it is 40 km per hour. You might have observed how you increase the speed of your scooty by giving the acceleration. Yes, acceleration is the term by which we increase the velocity. So acceleration is there. So we got a term called acceleration. Acceleration. This was my initial velocity and this is my final velocity. Initial velocity to final velocity, the speed has increased. That means I have given some acceleration. This is initial velocity. We call it U. U is initial velocity. Initial velocity. This is V, final velocity. This is V, final velocity. Final velocity. Initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration. Now, from initial velocity to attain final velocity, some time is required, second is required. From 20 km per hour to 40 km per hour, say, to increase this speed, the time taken by your scooty is, say, 5 seconds. From 20 km to 40 km per hour, to increase the speed, the time taken by your scooty is 5 seconds. Which is time? Time is 5 seconds. So we got another term, time. Acceleration, initial velocity, final velocity, time. Now, from 20 km per hour, when you are traveling with 20 km per hour, and when you are increasing your velocity by applying acceleration, by that time, your scooty has traveled a distance. Your scooty has completed a distance. We call it S. Here S is not speed. S is distance. So this is the distance or displacement, whatever you write. Displacement. Since the object is going straight, we'll consider it as displacement. So these are the terms which we require to form equation of linear motion. Linear motion, straight motion. Linear motion means object is going straight, not curved. It's linear motion. So now I am going to show you some equations of linear motion by using these terms. First is acceleration, which increases my speed. U is initial velocity at starting, V is final velocity at the end, time taken by the scooty to increase that speed or velocity, S is the distance covered, S is the displacement covered. Here distance and displacement both are same because the object is going straight, linear. So the first equation of linear motion is acceleration equal to V minus u by t. Acceleration equal to V minus u by t. This is the formula by which we can calculate acceleration of the object. Next equation of motion, V square equal to u square plus 2as. Now what is V, what is u, what is a, what is s? All this idea. Next equation of motion is S equal to ut plus half a t square. These are linear equations of linear motion which we require to solve the numericals, and very important for your exams also. Thank you.